rough layout of what's going on. These joints here, I had to use some blocks and big lags to suck the wall tight. This is our chainsaw carpentry for cutting a wall staggered with a chainsaw and squeezing it together. It's not too bad. And same thing on this side, except this side came out rougher due to lag placement when we chainsawed it, but able to squeeze the logs together. They're flush, and the walls are surprisingly really close to plumb as they are, so that's cool. Because we did have to cut, I have to replace that, but because we had to cut this 16-foot 4x6 when we were splitting her, I did have to plunge cut it with the chainsaw, and we did end up cutting it one more time with the Sawzall to be able to get it over, and the number of trips we did, I had to put scab pieces on the inside. And then again on the back side, you can see I ran a solid 2x6 and then screwed her real good to the 4x6 to brace where it was cut. Although this is right on the middle beam, this cut was not. The other cut's on the other side. So we're in a full length scab piece, and because of the chainsaw width here, the whole cabin is a little bit thinner. So now on all my floor joists, which I have numbered out, I now have to cut off what ends up being a chainsaw's width so that they fit. Okay, well, I mean, that's off a little bit, but she fits nice and tight. So long as they keep going tight, will be good. If for some reason that cut at 13 9/16, I'm sorry, 15 3 9/16 gets loose as we go, just meaning the distance changes a little, then I'll just play with it. But first floor joist back in.